Selam everyone, it's Regina. I am good, I wish everyone is good. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to create new project and how to run your first line of code, which is Hello World. It is a really famous one. Okay, let's go to File and New Project. Here we will name our project. For me, I'll make it YouTube tutorial YT tutorials. And here is this location where you want to save it. And here is interpreter, like which Python you want to use it, which version is 3.9. I use the last one. And create this window or new window. Okay. Let's delete. And here we go. We'll make it print. You can know it from its name only. It is print, like print what you want to write it here into your console. That's it. Hello world. And run it. Here we got it. Hello me. Here we got it too. Because here I got a space. If you delete it or get a space or whatever, it will just print it as the way you write it here. No different, no any functions, no anything on it. Only what you write, it will just print it here. As you see, it's like this. If you make it like and let's run it. It's the way I write it here only. Okay guys, this was our first video and first line of code, which is Hello World. I will see you in next video and new line of code and new something to learn, and see ya.